This is actually our VH700. It is our answer here at Vapor Honey Technologies to a lot of your critiques and also guidances. This machine can ship UPS to your door, meaning it drastically cuts down on the shipping costs that it takes to get a vapor honey machine from our factory here in Lincolnton to your home. And also this thing is the perfect size to put on a bench. It can ship open loop in this kind of benchtop configuration. And then we also have a stand that we've been doing a lot of testing with, setting ours up in different ways to see how we like it here. It adds a lot of flexibility. So if you guys don't have a freshwater hookup in your shop, we offer the closed loop variant. And also if you do and you prefer, we have the open loop variant that you guys can put on a work car, whatever you want to do. Unlike the micro, this machine is a true full-fledged wet blasting cabinet, meaning it does have lights on the inside. It does have an internal rinse. It does have a window rinse. And the main kicker for this little machine is that it has a fully fledged wet blasting pump. And you can put any kind of abrasive you want to in here. Anything that our VH1000 will handle, this little machine will handle. Meaning that you guys can actually blast with rougher abrasives. So if you're trying to do something like coating removal or coating prep, this machine's perfect for it. So if you guys are ready to start vapor blasting in your home, small business, whatever it may be, this right here is the perfect option for you. We're actually very proud of this machine. It does qualify for our lifetime warranty, meaning you're not gonna have to worry about this thing breaking down. And it also qualifies for our trade-up program. If you're unfamiliar with what our trade-up program is, it's not a gimmick. We actually have probably 20 machines sitting back there that people have sent back in. Say you buy this machine 2 months in the future, 6 months in the future, 2 years in the future, whatever it may be, you decide you're ready to upgrade because you want a larger, bigger, better, badder machine. If you send this back into us, we will give you all the credit that you spent towards this machine back towards another machine. So it's a great way to be able to kind of incrementally step up over time, work your way up, because I'm sure you guys have done this. You go to the store, you see something that you really want to buy, but you can't afford the big one, so you buy something less, and then like I said, 2 months down the line, 3 months down the line, you're like, man, I really wish I would have went with the big one. We're trying to eliminate that problem here and give you guys an easy way to get into vapor blasting, start seeing these awesome results in your shop, and also continuously work up to get the best equipment in your shop and really to find what's suitable for your needs. So again, it's a great product. We really hope you guys get one of these, start with vapor blasting on your own, and also just continue to grow with us. And we hope you grow as a company, and it helps us grow as a company. So if you guys are actually ready to get one of these, you can actually reach us at 828-202-5563. And again, we hope to help you get the best wet blasting equipment in your home, shop, business, whatever it may be today.